Let's study about one of the defects of vision, myopia. We have studied that the eye lens changes its thickness to focus on objects from different distances to form the image on the retina. Sometimes, due to excessive curvature of the eye lens or elongation of the eyeball, the image doesn't always form on the retina. In such cases, distant objects form a blurred image on the retina. We can correct this by using a concave lens in front of the eye. Place a concave lens and observe. We can see that a concave lens of suitable power diverges the light rays to form the image on the retina. The defect of vision blurriness for distant objects is called myopia, and it can be corrected using a diverging or a concave lens.